Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve one numerical which is related to concepts of entropy. So here we have an iron cube at temperature 500 degrees Celsius and it is dropped into an insulated bath containing 15 kg of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The water finally reaches a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius at a steady state. The specific heat of water is equals to 4186 joule per kg Kelvin. Find the entropy changes of iron cube and the water. So here we have one iron cube which is maintained at temperature 500 degrees centigrade. And if we drop this iron cube into an insulated bath which is containing 15 kg of water and it is maintained at 50 degrees Celsius of temperature. So after when this iron cube dropped into the water, so the water will change its temperature and the water finally reaches the temperature 80 degrees Celsius at a steady state. And the specific heat of water is given. So we have to find out the entropy change of iron cube as well as the water. And here we can define the process is reversible or not also. So let's start the solution. So first, here we will see the given terms. So what are the given terms? So first we will write down all the temperatures. So first the temperature of iron cube. Temperature of iron cube is given 500 degrees Celsius. So if we convert this into Kelvin, so it will be 500 plus 273. So it will be 773 degree Kelvin. Now we have the temperature of water. So initial temperature of water. So temperature of water is, so it is 50 degrees Celsius. So we will convert this into Kelvin. So 273 plus 50. So it will be 323 Kelvin. So here we have temperature of water and temperature of iron cube. Now the mass of water is given. It is 15 kg, another term. And then the temperature reaches by the water. So temperature of water and cube after equilibrium. So we have 80 degrees Celsius. So it will be 353. We convert this into Kelvin. So 80 plus 273. So it will be 353 Kelvin. Now we have this temperature and the specific heat of water is also given. So it is 4186 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. It will be in joule kg. Here it is given in joule kg per Kelvin, not in kilojoule. So we will write down this in joule kg per Kelvin. Now here we have to solve or we have to define the change in entropy for the water and the cube both. So let's start the solution. So we will start the solution with the equilibrium condition. So as per the given condition, when this iron cube which is maintained at 500 degree temperature, it is dropped into the insulated bath containing water 15 kg at 50 degrees centigrade. So here in this particular condition, what will happen? The water temperature is less and the temperature of the iron cube is greater. So this water will get heat from the iron cube and the temperature of the water will increase. So here in this condition, the heat lost by the iron cube will be equivalent to heat gained by the water. If we are considering equilibrium, so heat lost by the iron cube, it will be equivalent to heat gained by water. And we have the masses also. So heat lost by iron cube will be what? It will be defined by formula mCp dt. So this is for the iron cube and mCp dt This is for the water. So here let me write down. So it will be MI CPI and dt will be what? It will be the temperature of the iron cube. So temperature we have to define 773. So it will be 773 minus the final temperature 353, and that will be equal to MW CPW, and the temperature will be what? It will be 353 minus 323. So this will be our equation. So here we don't have the mass of the iron and the Cp value for the iron, so we will write down as it is. So Mi Cpi, and this equation, this term will be 773 minus 353, it will be 420, and that will be equals to, so mass of water we have 15, and the Cp value for the water is given 4186, and into this 353 minus 323, so it will be 30. So here we will solve as MICPI, that will be equals to, so it will be 4485. This value we have 4485, where Mi is the mass of iron and the Cpi is the specific heat of iron. So this will be what? Joule per kg Kelvin, and this mass we are considering in kg. So the unit will be what? Kg into joule per kg Kelvin. So this unit we can write down as joule per Kelvin. Kg and kg will cancel out. So unit for this term. So here we have this term. Now we have to define the entropy change. So let's define the entropy change for iron as well as for the water. So here these entropy change we have to define at different temperature. So let's first define the entropy change at maximum temperature. So it will be entropy change at 773 Kelvin. So it will be what? It will be defined as MICPI, and it will be log 773 divided by 273. So this will be our term. Now MICPI value we have here 4485. So we will put this value 4485 log, and this value we have to define. So 773 divided by 273. So this value we will define. So it will be what? So the final value we will get as 0.451. It will be 4485 into 0.451. So it will be 4485. So the final value will be 2022, and this will be joule per Kelvin. So this will be our entropy at 773 Kelvin. Now let's define the entropy of water at the minimum temperature, that is 323 Kelvin. So it will be what? It will be MW CPW into log, and it will be 323 divided by 273. So we have to solve this equation. So MW we have 15, and CPW is 4186 log 323 divided by 273. This value we have to solve this. So the final value of this is 4513 joule per Kelvin. So this value we have as the entropy change of water at 323 Kelvin. Now let's define the entropy of iron. So entropy of iron at 353 Kelvin. So same formula we will apply. MICPI log 353 divided by 273. So MICPI value we know it is 4485, and it will be multiplied by log 353 by 273. So the final value is 495.9 joule per Kelvin. Now one more value we have to define, that is entropy of water at 353 Kelvin. So it will be MWCPW log 353 by 273. So this value we have as 15 into 4186 and log 353 divided by 273. So the final value is 6943. 6943.9 joule per Kelvin. So these values we have. Now we want to define the entropy change for the iron. So entropy change of iron bar we will define as entropy change of iron at 353 Kelvin, that is the change temperature of water when iron drops. So it will be 495.9, and the entropy change at 773 Kelvin. So it will be here, this entropy change will be 495.9 minus 2022. So this value will become negative. So it will be minus 1526.1. This value we will consider as joule per Kelvin. Now we have to define the entropy change of water. So it will be 6943.9 minus the other value is entropy change of water at 323. So it will be 4513. So let me calculate the final value. So it will be 2430.9 joule per Kelvin. These values we have. Now we have entropy change of iron bar and entropy change of water. So we can define the final entropy change. So net change of entropy will be, it will be 2430.9 minus the value is 1526.1. So the final value which we get, that will be 904.8 joule per Kelvin. So here we have this value and this is represented as delta S. So delta S is what? 904.8 joule per Kelvin. And here this delta S is what? It is greater than 0. So what is this condition is defining? This condition is defining the process is not reversible. So our process is irreversible. So this process is not reversible. Our process is irreversible. So this is the solution of this numerical. Thank you so much.